Cumberland County in southern New Jersey. County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. At 4:44 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near webcam. Impacts. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Georgetown, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, and Voorhees. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall.